Well, we have made it to exit 17 like we were supposed to, so we can head through that 321 exit 12 thing or whatever it is, so we can go to the Waffle House. And the rain has lightened up a bit. It is now 2:25 a.m. Friday, August 22nd.
Lots of blooming right there.